Investors of Dubai, you are here watching this video today, and I'm going to teach you about the importance of furnishing and upgrading properties to the right standard in order to maximize their rental value on things like Airbnb. Now, today we are in Shoba Heartland in Shoba Waves Grande, and we are in a one-bedroom apartment, and we are joined by Chris, who is actually, he was trying to hide from the video, but he can't do that very well, obviously. Now, guys, the reason I'm making this video is because we see many people with the intention of trying to rent out property on short-term rental and try to maximize on the fact that, there are many people that want to rent them. However, most people don't know how to furnish them. Most people don't know how to upgrade them, and most people don't know how to present them. And that is why we are here today. Now, there are many elements of our business that we can actually help and advise you. For example, element number one, see this apartment we're in now? Well, it's actually for sale. This is a full turnkey solution, property investment that you could buy this right now, today, and rent it out straight away. Now, in this building in particular, especially in this location of Shoba Heartland, where Shoba actually offers a lot newer buildings than, say, downtown, but it still gives you that proximity to downtown. And actually, in the terms of price comparison, this place, you get much better value for money in terms of where you are living. So when people actually look at this location, they see it as an opportunity to purchase somewhere for a great price and still generate a great income from short-term rental. Now, short-term rental is not as lucrative as it once was. And what is the reason for that? Well, of course, everyone likes the thought of being able to rent out their property short-term because it offers extra benefits beside actually getting more money. It also offers a lot more flexibility with the tenants. However, what people don't realize is that because of that higher amount of competition, if you are not upgrading a property or you're not furnishing it correctly, you're just going to be in the midst of everybody else who is trying to rent it out at the same time with a low quality, a low standard, poorly furnished property. And again, that's where we come in. So with our expertise and interior designers, you can actually see what we can create. Now, of course, I'm not here to bore you to death or do a huge property tour of a one-bedroom apartment. This is literally just to show you the thought that has gone into this, all the small details, even having the headboard here with the light switches integrated into it. All of this makes a massive difference because I could already feel myself wanting to live here, you know what I'm saying? So, if you can put all of these elements together, then you're not going to have a trouble renting out short term. If you want to come in here and spend 25,000 dirhams or $5,000 and just furnish it to the bare minimum, then you need to understand that you're going to be up against competition like this. So if you're looking to maximize your return, then you need to be thinking a little bit smarter. You need to be spending that little bit more money, but actually putting that effort into it so that you can actually get the money that you are expecting from the property. Okay, so we're back at the entrance again, and what makes this apartment so special, you already get a feel that you're walking into somewhere grand. You can see this mirror feature wall that they put on with the LED strip and the artwork. It almost makes you feel like you're walking into a luxury building, right? Which this apartment has been transformed into that. And again, this is something that we can provide you. We offer turnkey solutions, and we can offer you apartments that are fully custom designed like this one. And then of course, you've got your feature wall with your huge TV and LED strip again. There's not actually a lot of work that has been done, but just all of these extra little details have made a massive difference. So you can imagine if someone wanted to rent somewhere out short term right now, they'd go and visit 3 units, and I guarantee this is probably one of the best in this building. So it's very clear throughout my videos, I'm a massive fan of Shoba. Why? 1, because of their build quality. 2, well, any of their new buildings in this Shoba Heartland district, they actually have huge floor to ceiling windows, so there's loads of natural light. And the infrastructure of this place is constantly improving. Just down there is where is going to be a lagoon. So actually what I can see now is just dust and dirt roads. But in the next few years, there's going to be a full swimmable lagoon going right through this place, which is going to transform it massively. So if you are an investor actually looking for a turnkey solution property, then this could be it. And we've got a number of units that are furnished just as well as this, with also the potential of, a lot of appreciation. We're 15 minutes from downtown. You're going to have a swimmable lagoon here. It's got all the elements of a great investment. So if this is something you are interested in, or if you are interested in renovating an apartment like this, then you know who to contact. Just follow the details below. I'll see you on the call.